Republic Day celebration in Mahendrana. Hey, say it loudly, nobody can hear. Okay, we'll show them that later. That's a surprise. You can't show them now. Who's the camera woman? Tell. Hi guys. Can they see me? See from here.
Yeah.
Hi.
I wearing sunglasses, guys.
Somebody's
He's a Meta AI.
the pass.
Yeah, Meta AI.
Say.
Huh?
Say. If you want to see the Republic Day celebration in Mahendrana,
Republic Day celebration.
write it in the comment section down below.
And don't
And
forget
don't
like all of
our
these,
videos and
subscribe
subscribe
to
on our channel. And also, click on the bell icon to receive updates on upcoming videos. Let's move on to the channel.
सर
Babu. Rishi.
हेलो चेक दोबारा क्लिक करना
हेलो
Don't keep on pausing.
ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಊರು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಾರತ. ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಊರು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಾರತ. ಮಂಡಲಂ
Daddy saying Daddy wants to stay there.
ಮಂಡಲಂ यहाँ पे कदम कदम ये धरती वन रंग, यहाँ की मोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ पे कदम कदम पे धरती बंद रंग, यहाँ की मोली में रंगोली सात रंग। रानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, यहाँ राजस्थानी अंबर है। नदी धारी हरा समंदर ये रंगीला, इस रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, इस रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला, इस रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
spirit and the history of the land. Today, we're going to witness one of the most famous dance forms from Rajasthan. The dancers will be dressed in traditional Rajasthan attire, as you can see near the stage. The women wearing colorful lehengas and men in dhotis and turbans. The intricate footwork, coupled with the clicking sound of ghungroos, ankle bells, which is called in English, adds to the charm of this dance form. So let's all enjoy and celebrate this beautiful art form as we present Rajasthani dance. Can we have the round of applause, everyone? So let us call out the individuals who are going to perform. The participants' names are as follows: Parin, Arav, Manya, Aradhya, Prisha. Let's welcome them all for Rajasthani folk dance, everyone. केसरिया पालम आओनी बधारोनी मारे देश रे बधारोनी मारे केसरिया पालम आओनी बधारोनी मारे लुक छुप ना जाओ जी, हमारा गीत कराओ जी, और क्यों तरसावे हो, हमारे सकल दिखाओ जी। हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर चले उन बंगाली में कह लगे मर चिगड़ में जागी तो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मनता मन में बा एक तीर झुम 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 ओ हमारे चिगड़े में जागी तो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मनता मन में बा एक तीर झुम 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 जरा तो ऊंचो ले ले गोरी पल्लो भीग जावे लो, जरा तो ऊंचो ले ले गोरी पल्लो भीग जावे लो। Everyone. So, from Rajasthan, let's go to south. What do you say? Okay, okay. I hear that. So let's go to a state. And any guesses, anyone? Which state it should be next? Kerala. Are you sure? Okay. I'll introduce and then you can guess which state it would be. So we all know India is a land of diversity, right? And every state has its own added color, rhythm, beauty, and the culture tapestry. I am thrilled to showcase one of the gems from right away south state, Kerala, and the dance form enchanting Mohiniyattam dance. Why this dance is known as Dance of Enchantress? It's a classical dance form that embodies grace, fluidity, and storytelling. Its movements mirror the gentle sway of palm trees in the breeze, while the soulful expressions capture the essence of devotion and love. What makes Mohiniyattam even more special is its close connection to Kerala traditions, blending Carnatic music with lyrical beauty. The themes often center around tables from Indian mythology, blending divinity with artistry. I would like to welcome, it's a special performance from the Cultural Committee, and I would like to welcome the Cultural Committee member, Preeti, on stage. Let's have a round of applause, everyone. The introduction what I gave, it really meant it. I am mesmerized with the performance. I really want you to have a round of applause again, please, for Preeti. It was a special performance from the cultural team, guys. Thank you. We'll take 1 minute break and then we'll come back with another performance. Thank you. So, that was Kerala. Now I think we will go to the last state for today's day event, which would be Maharashtra. Yes. So we bring you a performance that showcases the essence of Maharashtra through its traditional folk dance. Whether it is a lively beats of Lavani, the graceful movements of Koli, or the high energy expression of Povda. Each step tells a story of pride, passion and celebration. So I'll welcome our Maharashtra folk dance group on the stage. Let's have a round of applause, everyone.
देवी मंगला गौरी कुमारीन सोनिया ताटी रत्नांचे दिवे माणिकांच्या वाटी जय देवी मंगला गौरी सत्तबाई खेळूया मंगळा गौरी खेळूया मंगळा गौरी खेळूया गौराईचा
Beautiful, isn't it, guys? Let's continue. Let's continue the appreciation here. Yes, everybody, to the left side as well. Yes, it is one small performance. Thank you, guys. That was all about Maharashtra and the colors and the cultures, everyone. And we end up with the performance, but that is not all. I would like to welcome the president from the association to say a few words. So I'll welcome Rohit.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Republic Day to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Ashutosh, the cultural team, and all the volunteers behind this beautiful celebration. We have tried to explore our defined space for events, that is the amphitheater, for the first time in last 5 years. And personally, I like this setup very much. We will try to build some infrastructure around this so that we don't, we can make it more comfortable. And for all the event groups, it will be the go-to spot. They would prefer to have the event here. I think we can fit around 300, 400 people here. Okay, so this particular talk, I was asked at least 4 times in last 2 years, but we didn't have much to speak to the residents. But today, I am talking on behalf of the whole board, 18 members. We have very good updates for residents, so we thought we will give you that update in next 10 minutes of what is happening in your society. Now we took the handover on 1st of August after a lot of fights, legal fight, social fight, discussion with the builder. We have given up a lot when we took the handover. We had the RERA verdict for us, but still all of us sat together in an SGM, decided, let us move forward in life. So we are using the system that was defined to that optimum level. HNS system which controls the pressure, it is too technical, but it is all ready. So you will not see water interruption frequently. You would have been experiencing power fluctuations for last 1 month. Again, I can proudly say we have only power fluctuation when BESCOM is not supplying the power. There is no internal issue with the DG system or the supply system. And we are glad that we are able to implement that or include that in our planning. Now what is for future? I will not go to detail. The next step is based on the survey last week. We are changing the security agency and the new agency would be SRS, which is a well-known brand. So we will improve our entry management. We will also improve our basement parking, and that will be the role of the security agency. You will also start seeing a lot of civil repairs happening. Again, residents have reached out to us. They have logged in complaints. So we have at least 140 cases, small issues like tile replacement and all. But you will start seeing those changes also around you. One of the systems that we have put in place is the transparency and accountability. Now, if I am not there tomorrow, the systems, the work will still continue because the processes are laid accordingly. So any team that takes up in future would be able to deliver the same way, and we will be able to continue the improvement that are planned. We still have a lot of work to do. Now we have to build our finances for future. For example, our building space 1 is 5-year-old now. Very soon people will ask for painting, which is not an easy job. There are some big ticket items like swimming pool repair. There are some items like terrace waterproofing. These are all big ticket items. One of them is CCTV coverage. Builder has given us a very minimal coverage, and we see a lot of incidents where we don't have a proper coverage or we have blind spots. The vendor has given us the quote. Right now we don't have the funds to absorb it, but believe me, that is on one of the top priority because that comes under the safety aspect of the society. So the board is aware that we have a job cut out for us. We will continue to do that, but we will also see people, we will see some changes in the association because they have given their time, their personal life, their office work, but now they would also need some rest. So one of them would be our secretary, Mr. Jaswin Jose, who has decided to step down. He resigned 5 months back, but then we forced him to continue so that we reach to a particular level. So we'll have a new secretary. We'll also have a new vice president, which will be done today. Today evening we have a meeting. But as I mentioned, the systems and processes are in place. So now any new person can come in and be part of the system. Along with the support of the residents, we'll continue with the improvement activities. So that's it from my side. I think I've covered all. We will call for an SGM soon. to take some future steps. That time we will take all your questions. But the association members or the board is easily reachable to you. So please reach out to your tower reps or anyone from the board. Voice out your opinion, voice out your feedback. We are here to implement those. Together only we can build Arna back. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was really amazing that to know what has happened so far in our society and what are the future plans. I really appreciate. With that note, I would like to say some words, and before that I am requesting everyone to please have your flags so that we can record some very good stills and videos so that we will use them in future. So we have our cameraman ready. All I want from you is to have your flags in your hand and just try to wave it so that we will record it. Everybody, on my left.
Yeah, what are you doing? What? These are the chips. These are the flags. Look how much time we showed the program for. Look. Let me zoom. Huh? One from mom, what? Samosa. We have how many right now? Wait, get this aside. Wait. Switching. Look, 3-3. Our father's gonna get one more from mom. It was glitching before.